In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to review a HubSpot forecast on your desktop step by step. Whether you're a sales manager checking team performance or a rep reviewing your own numbers, understanding how to properly navigate the forecast tool in HubSpot is essential for accurate revenue tracking and better decision making. I'll walk you through how to access the forecast tool, choose the correct pipeline, adjust your reporting period, and drill down into the details that really matter. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account from your desktop browser. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Hover over Sales and then click on Forecast. This will take you directly into HubSpot's forecasting tool, where you can review revenue projections and submissions. Now that you're inside the forecast tool, the next step is to choose the correct pipeline. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a pipeline drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down. If your company uses multiple pipelines, such as a sales pipeline, renewals pipeline, or partnerships pipeline, you'll need to select the one you want to review. For most users, this will be your main sales pipeline. Selecting the correct pipeline ensures that you're looking at the right set of deals and accurate forecast data. Once you've selected your pipeline, you'll immediately see an overview of forecast data. This includes team forecast totals, individual sales rep submissions, and pipeline amounts grouped by forecast categories like commit, best case, and pipeline. The commit category usually represents deals that reps are highly confident will close. Best case includes deals that are likely but not guaranteed. Pipeline typically reflects earlier stage opportunities that still need progress. Reviewing these categories helps you quickly understand how solid your projected revenue actually is. Next, let's adjust the forecasting period. In the top right corner of the forecast screen, you'll see options to select your reporting timeframe. You can switch between month, quarter, or choose a specific custom period depending on how your organization tracks performance. For example, if you're running a quarterly sales review, select quarter to see aggregated numbers. If you're doing a monthly check-in, switch to month. This flexibility allows you to analyze performance at different levels and align with your company's reporting structure. Now let's talk about drilling into the details, which is one of the most powerful parts of the forecast tool. You can click directly on the totals to view a deeper breakdown of how those numbers are calculated. If you want to evaluate a specific sales rep, click on their name to see their submitted forecast numbers and the deals contributing to those totals. This is especially useful during one-on-one meetings or pipeline review sessions. You can also click into deal amounts under each forecast category. For example, if you want to understand why the commit number looks high or low, click into it to see the individual deals included in that total. This allows you to verify deal stages, close dates, and amounts so you can spot risks or opportunities early. By regularly reviewing your HubSpot forecast on desktop, you'll gain clearer visibility into your revenue pipeline, improve accountability across your sales team, and make more informed business decisions. The key is knowing exactly where to look and how to interpret what you're seeing. And that's it. You now know how to review a HubSpot forecast on your desktop step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot training and sales productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.